Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam unable to verify email address error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your email account. Once you're in, head straight to your spam or junk folder. This is important because Steam's verification emails sometimes get filtered there by mistake, and checking this folder can save you a lot of troubleshooting time. Look through your spam carefully to see if there's a verification email from Steam waiting for you. Now, you can also check your email verification status directly within the Steam app itself, which gives you more control over the process. Go ahead and open your Steam application and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Steam to open the drop-down menu, then select Settings from the list of options. This will open your account configuration area where you can manage various aspects of your Steam profile. In the Settings window, navigate to the Account tab. Here you should look for an option that says Resend Verification Email. If you see this button available, click on it. This will trigger Steam to send another verification email to your registered address, which can help if the original email never arrived or got lost. Next, we're going to clear your download cache, as this can sometimes interfere with Steam's verification process. In the left panel of the Settings window, click on Downloads. Once you're in the Downloads section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Clear Download Cache. Right beside this text, you'll see a button. Go ahead and click Clear Cache. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify this action. Click Confirm to proceed. This process clears temporary files that might be causing conflicts with Steam's systems. After clearing the cache, go ahead and try to verify your email address again. Sometimes this simple step resolves the issue immediately by refreshing Steam's connection to its servers. If the problem persists, it's time to contact Steam support directly for personalized assistance. In the upper left corner again, click on Help, then select Steam Support from the menu. This will take you to Steam Support Hub, where you can submit a detailed help request. On the support page, click on My Account. This category covers all account-related issues, including email verification problems. Next, click on Data related to your Steam account, which is the appropriate category for email verification issues. Now scroll down and click Contact Steam Support to open the request form. In the text field that appears, you'll need to provide specific information about your issue. Start with the main problem by explaining that you're unable to verify your email address. Then clearly explain what happens when you try to verify, whether you receive an error message, don't receive emails at all, or something else. It's also crucial to mention what you've already tried, such as checking spam, resending the verification email, and clearing your cache. This information helps support agents understand your situation better and provide faster solutions. After filling out the text field, click on Data related to your Steam account to confirm your issue category, then click Send to submit your support request. Steam support team typically responds within a day or two and will guide you through additional troubleshooting steps. While waiting for support, here are a couple more things you can try. If you're using a VPN or proxy connection, turn it off completely and restart your computer. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Steam's email verification system by making your connection appear suspicious. Also, try restarting your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This refreshes your internet connection and can resolve connectivity issues that might be blocking Steam's verification emails. Finally, keep in mind that sometimes Steam's email system experiences delays due to high server traffic. If you've tried everything and still haven't received the verification email, wait 10 to 30 minutes and try the verification process again. The email might simply be taking longer than usual to arrive. You should now be able to verify your email address and get back to using Steam normally. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.